Hi there, I'm Tracy Drake and this is a brief video on seated Qigong, the first of the 8 brocades. 2 hands support heaven. So find yourself in a comfortable seated position, feet flat on the floor, nice long spine, sitting tall and secure but with ease. And just connecting with your breath to begin with. You can close your eyes if you wish, or just gaze at a point on the floor in front of you. And then opening the hands to the sides of the body. And we gather energy from the earth and carry it up through the center of the body to the chest, and then flip the hands and push the energy up towards the heavens. And then the hands float down softly. Inhale up and then exhale down. So moving at the speed of your breath and not your mind. And coordinating the movement with your breath. It becomes very meditative. Qigong is a very meditative practice, meditation in motion. And lots of physical and subtle energetic benefits in the practice. Qigong literally means working your qi, your life force in your body, and bringing qi into the body, getting that qi moving, helping us to avoid dis-ease in the body. Arms are soft, and brocades are silk ribbons. So thinking of your movements like silk ribbons moving in the breeze. Repeating this one last time. Inhale up, exhale down, and then letting that movement subside. Hands can just rest on your lap. Noticing how you feel, letting the breath settle. And there you have our first brocade. 2 hands support heaven. Thank you for joining me.